Gone are the days when people used to say, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब. People are now very much aware that toys play a very important role in the holistic development of a child. In line with PM Modi's vision of making India a global hub for toy industry, India Toy Fair 2021 is being organized virtually. PM Modi will be inaugurating India Toy Fair 2021 tomorrow. The fair will be held from 27 February to 2nd March 2021. Let us watch this video before proceeding.
साथियों, खिलौने जहां एक्टिविटी को बढ़ाने वाले होते हैं, तो खिलौने हमारी आकांक्षाओं को भी उड़ान देते हैं। खिलौने केवल मन ही नहीं बहलाते, खिलौने मन बनाते भी हैं और मकसद गढ़ते भी हैं।
As you watched in the August edition of Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister Modi said that toys not only augment activity but also give flight to aspirations. Along with mentioning it in Mann Ki Baat, PM Modi has many times emphasized on boosting toy manufacturing in India. The Toy Fair 2021 aims to provide momentum to Atmanirbhar Bharat. 4-day-long India Toy Fair 2021 will witness over 1,000 exhibitors from across 30 states and UTs. Exhibitors have choice to virtually showcase traditional Indian toys as well as modern toys including electronic toys, puzzles and games. India Toy Fair 2021 will also host numerous webinars and panel discussions. It will witness eminent Indian and international speakers from toy design and manufacturing sector. For the education sector in particular, the knowledge sessions involving various experts will focus on areas emphasized in National Education Policy 2020, such as play-based and activity-based learning, indoor and outdoor play, use of puzzles and games to promote critical thinking. Let us have a look what PM Modi said on emphasization of toys in National Education Policy 2020.
बच्चों के जीवन के अलग-अलग पहलू पर खिलौनों का जो प्रभाव है, इस पर राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति में भी बहुत ध्यान दिया गया है। खेल-खेल में सीखना, खिलौने बनाना सीखना, खिलौने जहां बनते हैं, वहां की विजिट करना, इन सबको करिकुलम का हिस्सा बनाया गया है।
India is such a culturally rich country where each and every region has one or the other unique thing that can be preserved and appreciated. Many states make toys made of wood, mud and clay. With PM Modi giving vocal for local a push through Mann Ki Baat, local toy market is witnessing increase in footfalls. Global toy industry values 7 lakh crore rupees. The scope for India to grab a major portion is immense as of now. Promoting startups in toy industry, PM Modi mentioned in Mann Ki Baat that two things can be done with toys. One, we can bring back our glorious past, and second, we can also brighten our future. With people supporting vocal for local, toy industry is also on its way to emerge as a start-up hub. With more startups emerging and promoting Indian toy industry, Made in India products will make its special place in foreign market too. If you are also planning to do a startup, listen what PM Modi said to the startup industry.
मैं अपने स्टार्टअप मित्रों को, हमारे नए उद्यमियों से कहता हूँ, टीम अप फॉर टॉयज। आइए मिलकर खिलौने बनाएं। अब सभी के लिए लोकल खिलौनों के लिए वोकल होने का समय है। आइए हम अपने युवाओं के लिए कुछ नए प्रकार के अच्छी क्वालिटी वाले खिलौने बनाते हैं। खिलौना वो हो जिसकी मौजूदगी में बचपन खिले भी, खिलखिलाए भी। हम ऐसे खिलौने बनाएं जो पर्यावरण के भी अनुकूल हो।
India Toy Fair 2021 will give a global competitive edge to India's toy industry. Through India Toy Fair, government and industry will come together to discuss how India can be made the next global hub for manufacturing. India is also working on sourcing of toys by attracting investment in the sector and promoting exports. Toy Fair 2021 will definitely lead India towards Atmanirbharta in toy sector. That's all for today. We'll catch up soon with another episode. Till then, take care.